So if you guys are not aware, Reshoevn8r actually had a massive overhaul, completely changed the look of the brand. As you could see, the old brand here and the new brand here. And I wanted to go ahead and break down some of the massive changes that they made, because they're not just aesthetics in the packages. There's actually some really, really great improvements on the products that they actually are offering. So I wanted to just show you guys what was and now what is the future for Reshoevn8r. What is going on, guys? Hes here, collectivekicks.com. If you guys would like to shop this week's top sneaker deals that I try to post for you guys on a weekly basis, check the links in the description, and happy shopping. If you guys actually want to go to Reshoevn8r's website and shop all of the new products that I'm going to be showing you guys in this video, the link obviously will be in the description as well. And big shout out to Reshoevn8r for sponsoring this video. So for those that are newer to the channel, you guys may not know, but I've actually been a brand ambassador for Reshoevn8r for a number of years now. So it's really exciting for me to see what they've done with this brand. They really made the brand look clean and simple and elegant, and I love the way the packaging presents itself. I'm really excited to show you guys some of the main differences that I found so far in comparing the old to the new products, and hopefully you guys are excited to see what they have. The other thing is that they made a major change to the website. When you actually buy the product, it's actually free shipping on everything now. Let's go ahead and get into some of these comparisons. First things first, though, check out the box lid. It has my name on it with Reshoevn8r. Really cool, like one-of-one product offering that they sent my way. So definitely love the fact that they did that. So the first major thing to note of the rebrand is just the logo itself. The old Reshoevn8r brand logo is definitely more like sneakerhead centric, whereas the new brand I think has more of a mainstream look that can draw a larger audience. So one of the major things that Reshoevn8r did is they're no longer selling just a single brush anymore with any of their sets. They actually include all three brushes. You have the proper brush for the soles as well as the leathers and everything else, and it makes for an all-around better user experience if you have the proper tools to be able to do the job. You're not going to use your toothbrush to comb your hair, although my son would probably try doing something like that. But really, like, having the right brushes for the right features of the sneakers makes a big impact when you're actually cleaning them. So not only did they include them in all of the sets that you get, they completely redid the brushes. So first things first, they changed the size of the bristles. You actually get 2 more rows of bristles on the new brushes versus the old ones. They're bigger just in general, the blocks, and just the little things that I actually like. They changed the font on here to make it more legible. The stiff bristles are actually a lot stronger on the new brush than on the old one, which is just another small noticeable difference when you have them both side by side. But check this out. This is my favorite thing that they changed. They color coded the bristles now. So you have a hard, medium, and soft, and they are different by color type. Versus before, you didn't really know when you're going to be grabbing the stiff or the medium bristle. Sometimes I thought I had one versus the other. Then you have to look at the name. Now it's just muscle memory of remembering which color is which. I love the fact that they made a small little detail change like that that's going to make a big difference when you're cleaning. So the medium brush is the white bristles on it now, which they compacted more again on here in a larger base. And it's the same thing for the soft bristles. The bristles feel really, really soft, really good. All right, so as for the changes of the cleaner, you could see that the label on the bottle is super, super nice. And I love that they added a little pull tab right back here. Again, very, very simple. Also, the ingredients are served up right here on the top, as well as what this is, the fact that it's a natural formula that is effective for cleaning and conditioning and safe to use on most materials. On the bottle, it actually has the directions on how to use the formula right here. One thing to note about this rebrand, however, is the actual formula for the cleaner is exactly the same. It has natural ingredients and the formula is just right. It gets really sudsy when you're scrubbing down your sneakers, so if it's not broke, don't fix it. They just changed the look of it in this case, but now you can actually see it and see what the color is. So next up, I wanted to show you guys the revised version of this mesh laundry bag, and it looks pretty much the same except for it's white now, has the new logo on it, but they added a small little detail that makes all the difference in the world. This is legit. Like, you can actually put the sneaker cleaning pods in here, but you could also add shoelaces to the pouch to keep it nice and clean in the pouch and not get tangled up in your shoes. I don't know how many times that's happened to me where I've cleaned the shoes and the shoelace got rung around so tight. One pair I actually had to cut the shoelaces because that happened. So super, super innovative and just something simple. When you're talking about a company that has a patent to the sneaker laundry system in general, then they improve upon it. Like, they're not getting lazy just because they have the only thing on the market. They're finding ways to improve it, and it's definitely showing with what they're delivering. And they also have brand new laundry pods. So I love the fact that they did this. The old product was the advanced sneaker laundry detergent, and this stuff is dope. It really smells good, but you have to squeeze it from the bottom, then it fills up this line right here on the neck, and then you dump it in. It can get a little bit messy, so this is a much better solution for my household at least. So I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what they look like. Check out these little pods, man. They feel like little jellies or something like that. These things are dope though. They're perfectly portioned, and you can see You just drop one off in here, and then you throw this in the wash and you're good to wash your sneakers. Again, it's just a small change, but it's innovative, and I like that they went in a new direction. One thing I forgot to mention is the formula is actually different. The old detergent honestly was awesome too, but the pods have a different scent to it. It just honestly reminds me of like a nice, mild, clean smell, reminiscent of Tide almost. How when you smell Tide, you're like, okay, yeah, that was clean with Tide. That's what I think these are gonna have that effect with, because it just has such a good smell. You can buy the laundry pods by themselves, or you can get them included in the Deep Clean Signature bundle, which is $90. It's a lot of money, but honestly, you're spending hundreds if not thousands of dollars on your sneakers. So like paying $100 to keep them clean and keep them clean with the best products on the market, I think is not a bad move. Another thing that they changed up, this is something that I use all the time, which is a microfiber towel from Reshoevn8r. And here's a new towel right here, and I love that they added the new logo, but they also added some extra protection around the edge of the towel, which I think is a nice little extra, more of a premium product. It is a little bit smaller than the previous one, just for those that are comparing. But the reason why that one's a little bit shorter is because they introduced this new product to the market, which is a sneaker cleaning mat. So check this out. They have their own little sneaker cleaning mat to clean your sneakers. That way you don't have to throw down your towel to do so. This is bigger than the towel and it's softer than the towel. Honestly, this is an overall better experience for you people out there that are going to be cleaning your sneakers. Like I can clean my shoes right here, and this is going to be perfect now. So another change that they made, this is the water and stain repellent spray, and this is the newer version of the water and stain repellent spray. And it just looks a little bit more premium versus the old one. This looks more like something you get in your garage. This looks like something you'd keep in your cabinet. For those wondering, they do still have the shoe trees, and they do have the new branding on it. All right, so the last thing I wanted to show you guys is the comparison between the two different sneaker wipes. So this is a Reshoevn8r 10 sneaker wipes in one, and then this is a new Reshoevn8r 12 sneaker wipes in the other. I like that it has a little tearaway section to open it up, but take a look at the new packs. Really dope. And on the inside, let's see if the guts are the same. Oh, it's actually different. They changed the color. These sneaker wipes are actually legit. As you can see, it has a bunch of little micro dots all over it that actually have some texture on one side and then none on the other. And this actually helps really scrub away the dirt and the grime on your sneakers if you're trying to clean them up. So this is one right here. And for those that wanted to see the old ones, this is the old ones right here. There you have it. So blue, which went more with the older theme. And for those wondering, they're the same exact size, and it does smell like the same exact formula. I feel reckless just opening this up and not using it, so I gotta clean down some of my sneakers right here. You can see the back right there, just all clean up really easily. On the midsole, I mean, that's perfect for these things right here, the midsole cleaning. Like just a little scuff right here, you can just wipe it up real easily. And then you can just scrub away with the dots down here like that on the bottoms of the soles. Pretty simple. So to summarize, basically they have 4 different sets for sneaker cleaning now. You have the Essential Shoe Cleaning Kit, which is $35. Comes with 3 different brushes, the microfiber towel, and the shoe cleaner. For $50, you can step it up to the Signature Shoe Cleaning Kit, which is honestly the best price in my opinion. So you get everything from the previous kit, the 3 brushes, the cleaner, as well as the microfiber towel. But now you get the laundry bag and the 2 shoe trees, which if you buy them separately is an extra $33. So bundled actually makes the most sense. Next, you could get the Quick Clean Essential Bundle. So this one basically is the essential kit as well. However, you get washable cleaning mat, as well as a collapsible cleaning bowl. But then if you really want to go all in, get the Deep Clean Signature Bundle, which comes in at $90. It has everything the Signature kit has, but you also end up getting the washable cleaning mat, as well as a collapsible bowl, the laundry pods, and cleaning wipes. Again, everything on the website is free shipping, and there will be a link in the description for you guys to go over shop at Reshoevn8r's website. So hopefully this video has been helpful for anybody that's out there looking at the old product and wondering why they revamped or what changed with the new products out there with Reshoevn8r. And if this video was helpful, go ahead and drop a like on the video. Again, if you guys want to shop any of the Reshoevn8r products out there, check the link in the description. Big shout out to Steve and Katie though, and Genesis and the rest of the Reshoevn8r team out there in Arizona. They really are doing amazing stuff. They have a 3-part documentary on the Reshoevn8r channel about the history and the whole process about the rebrand. If you guys want to check that out, I'll link it also in the description because it's a really cool documentary that they shot. But all in all, I'm really thankful to be a part of this brand. They have a really cool product offering. They always have had a really cool product offering. I stand behind it 100%. Now that they've revamped it a bit even more, like it's that much more exciting for me to be able to tell people about the product and to showcase it in some of my videos. So that's the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, notification bell to be notified of when my videos are live. Thank you again for stopping by and watching, and we'll see you guys hopefully for some more sneaker videos very soon. Peace, guys.